Welcome. I am currently looking through my videos from last night, and something did happen last night to me. Nothing bad. At one point, I was going down these stairs, stopped at one point, and then I heard this noise, what sounded like someone was running upstairs towards me, and luckily enough, I've caught it on camera. Oh yeah, the little surprise I have for you. We didn't go back in the building after we went to Tesco's, but we did go to one location, which is closer to a college, and we could hear a really strange creature type noise. I don't know what it was, but you comment down below what you think of what it be. And anyways, I'm gonna about do some research on this noise right now. Right now, I've just got it up. Just bear with me, people. I can't switch the camera around, but so bear with me, people. Here we go. Got it up. Sorry for the bad quality, guys. I'm using my phone. So pagefield centre information up for parents. Trying to get it up for trying to find this information. If it information, no. Yeah. I can't find any information on this. I typed in demonic noises. Strange noises. Let's try strange noises then. No. Not even a strange noise. Let's try YouTube then. Copy. Paste. Okay, now I'm gonna keep recording. Yeah, there's nothing on it. So yeah, I can't really find anything. So yeah. Hey guys, I hope you can hear this on the camera. Right now, there is a demonic sound. That's the sound basically. It's coming from Pagefield, the actual Pagefield college where I went to. There's my cig right there. I dropped. Come on, go off. That's the Pagefield. There we go. I hope I caught that, because I'm out of here right now, as I'm not sticking around. So please, if you heard that, leave a like, subscribe and help me. I will be uploading this with my footage of my other exploring. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Peace. So yeah guys, I can't really find anything about this weird noise me and Craig heard last night. I went about 4 or 5 in the morning. Sounded weird. I have it on video as well. Both sides, on this cam and my phone. On the cam side, didn't really go well. You can't hardly fully hear it because the noise of me holding the cam is a bit bad, but yeah, but you will see it in this vlog. So see you soon. I'll see you guys in the next exploring video or vlog. So see you guys.